And under the Constitution of India's disqualification rules, there is gross violation of Constitution and the provisions thereof. When there was no split into the original political party, the then Speaker was the Deputy Speaker of the House in the absence of the Speaker, allowed this trans-aggression on the Constitution and admitted them, acknowledged that there is a split. And the acknowledgement is what? That the 2/3 split is in the legislature party. The provision of law doesn't say legislature party. Provision of law says political party. Unless there is a split shown in the political party, by following proper procedure, which includes calling for a general body, then taking a resolution, then deciding to move 2/3 into another party. At that stage, it was only intimated to the MLAs for their consent to join them. This did not happen. And they quietly went into the Bharatiya Janata Party. Now, the issue doesn't stop here. In the same midnight coup, as we call it, there were 4 other persons who acknowledged the aberration of the constitutional provisions and admitted them and welcomed them in their party. Today, we have embarked on a criminal complaint filed at the Police Inspector Parwari Police Station, Parwari, RDXGOA, against Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, Honorable Mr. Michael Lobo, the then acting Speaker of the Legislative Assembly, Deputy Chief Minister Mr. Manohar Asgaonkar, PWD Minister Mr. Deepak Prabhu Pauskar, BJP President Mr. Vinay Tendulkar, and Legislature Secretary Mr. N.B. Subedar, and President, Executive President and General Secretary of the Maharashtra Gomantak Party for breach of trust, conspiracy and waging war against the state. There is this complaint which we have embarked on, signed by one Mrs. Pratibha Dhage and Mr. Mahesh D. Wangankar, in which it is stated that these are the individuals who orchestrated conspiracy with an attempt to defeat the many provisions of law and the provisions of the Constitution of India, which is so sacrosanct in our democracy.